They're like a salad, a pickle, and a veggie all at once. A multi-tool of a side dish. Pickled grilled green beans are the perfect veggie for my upcoming picnic because they are a veggie side that's easier to eat than a salad. It has that same vinegary, zesty flavor profile, and you're still munching on a healthy veggie. Zelda Maloy shared her recipe in the Vintage Community Cookbook Favorite Recipes from Our Best Cooks cookbook. And I came across it when I was deciding what to serve for my upcoming picnic. I knew it would pair well with corn dogs and zucchini patties. They're crunchy, zesty, spicy, and fresh, loaded with flavor, and easy to eat, even without utensils, which is important when you're eating on the ground. I wanted something like a salad, but salads can be difficult to pack and serve, and dressings are tough to transport. Plus, salads can be awkward to eat. They're super easy to make, and they keep well in the fridge, so you'll have more for later. The recipe gives instructions for actual canning, water bath, the whole thing. But I just used a big jar and keep mine in the fridge, so no need to go through all that if you don't want to. So here's how I made mine. Before you get started, pack your green beans in a jar or jars of your choice. I love these giant swing top jars, so that's what I used. You can use several smaller jars if you prefer, totally up to you. Once that's all ready, combine the vinegar and the water in an enameled pot or any pot that's safe to boil vinegar in. Most importantly, not raw cast iron. I use my stove enameled Dutch oven that you'll see me talk about a ton. If you're interested, I will add a link in the description to one of my other videos where I talk all about how much I love it and why. Then add salt and bring it to a boil. As soon as it boils, remove it from the heat. Now add these spices to your beans. The recipe calls for garlic, whole red peppers, and dill. I added a bay leaf since the tannins keep things crunchy, but it's totally optional. Finish with cayenne pepper. If you're using multiple jars instead of one big one, distribute your spices evenly with 1 clove of garlic, 2 red peppers, and half a teaspoon cayenne in each jar. Now you're ready to pour that hot vinegar brine over the beans. Be careful and go as slowly as you need to. Don't worry if you have any left over. The recipe gives no guidance on how many green beans you'll need. So if you have liquid left over, it's not a problem. Or if like me and you're a little short on liquid, just boil up a little bit more. It's equal parts vinegar and water with about 2.5 teaspoons of salt for every cup of liquid. So if you need about a cup more liquid, it would be a 1/2 cup water, 1/2 cup vinegar, and 2.5 teaspoons salt. Easy enough. So I will keep them in the fridge until I am ready to pack up for my picnic. And when I do pack my picnic, I will be using some super cute vintage picnic baskets, which I would love to show you.